Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time of day it is for you. I hope that all is well. My name is Alicia, and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Yeah, it's 10:50 right now for me, so it is morning time for me. And I hope that all is well and everybody is doing great, doing good. And today I would like to do a video for you, or a tutorial for you, demonstrating how I make jewelry, or how I'm going to make jewelry that's going to be geared towards a November 30th Zoom pop-up jewelry party. So if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below, or you can reach out to me through my platforms that are also in the description below, and I'm going to put it up here on the screen real quick. So, hey, if you want to participate and come and see what I have, hey, bring your coffee, bring your tea, your wine, hot toddies, and your coins, because I'm going to put some really nice things out. If you saw my video prior to this one, it was a haul showing you the pieces that I'm going to be using. So today, the pieces that I'm going to use are going to be these colors here. I don't know if this is real leather or faux leather suede band, but it has some gold flections on it. And I also have my, let me bring this down so I don't have to always keep putting this up in your face. I also have the memory wire, and we're going to be making a choker today, so I'm going to use this size here. For this choker, the beads that I'm going to use will be from these 2 packs of glass beads. I'm going to use the color schemes from here. Can you see that? Take this off so you can see it a little better. I'll be using these glass beads. They seem to be a little more kind of, sort of, so I want them to match as much as possible, and this is what I have to make it happen like that. And I also have some little accent beads. I have some barrels here. I have some round beads here, as you see here. I have some gold beads, small beads. I don't know if I'm gonna use them. And what else do I have? Oh yes, I have these rings right here that go in between. Oops, that go in between beads. Some accent beads. So yep, that's what I'll be using. If you want to see how that's going to turn out, then hang in there with me, guys. Don't go anywhere, but I'll be back in 2 seconds. Yeah, I didn't get to mention, guys, that I'm also going to be using elastic for the bracelets. You know what I mean. So what I'll be doing is transferring each row of beads to this elastic, which I think will be a lot better than having to work with a clasp. Sometimes I'm sure that could be a little bit of a nuisance for some people. So I'm going to make it easy peasy. And I will also be using E6000 glue. And what else did I forgot to mention. Oh, this charm. I will be using these charms. And so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take all these beads off, and I'm going to work with this row first. So I don't forget how the beads are made, I'm just going to string it on section by section. So this is what I'll do. Alright guys, here it is all strung up. I'm just going to tie it like this. So what I do is I take this tail and I just tuck it under through the loop like I usually do, but then you loop it again a second time. 2 loops. Sometimes I like to do 3. And I don't know if you can see how that, you can see, no, you can't see it. Let me see. You can see, oh, 1, 2, 3, and then you just pull it together. I just pull tight, and then you just snip that off. Now there's a way that this could be done where the string goes inside the hole, but I am not too sure about how to do that right this moment. So I just cut it off. I cut the tab off as close to that edge as I can. This is how it looks. And this is why I put a little glue here on that knot that you see right there, because I don't want that thing to slip loose one day. And I just take a little of this E6000, and probably some Fix-All would work on this also. And I just stretch that out some, and I just put the glue right on top. Make sure it's not too much. And this is it. Nice stretchy bracelet. I'll let this sit off to the side so it could dry. And I'm going to do the same thing to these 2 pieces. This is what we have. Let me put them on. Yeah. So now I'm going to make the necklace. All right. So this is what the necklace, or the, what do you call it? What I want to call it? The the choker style. So because this is the end, and I'm going to bring it around, halfway around. No, maybe I'll make it a double loop. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Double loop it. I'm going to cut it right here. And this is what I have. So one end I'm going to turn up, or make a bend. And I'm just going to turn it all the way over, around. I need it to be all the way around. See how that just became like a hook? I need that tip to meet the other end. So now I'm just going to squeeze that in more. And I wanted it to touch like that. Let me mark on here where the middle is going to be. As far as I'm just going to use this blue marker to create the middle for the choker. And I don't know if you can see, but it's a little teeny Move this wire out of the way. There. Little spot right there. These. And I want to use these tubes. These. So what I think I'm going to do is make it look more like this. Using the wood beads and yeah. And I'll be using some of these in between still also. These gold ones. Well, I don't know. We'll see. But I think I'm going to start off with the gold one. So I had to decide which bead that I want to be at the end. And this is the end. Now I'm going to put the tubes in. I'm going to do the tubes. And that's what we have so far. I don't know, guys. I don't know if it's going to be enough. I only have a few left. And I don't have any more of this blue. I don't think I do anyway. Alright guys, this is the finishing touch of the necklace. This is what it looks like. Let me bring it around a little bit more. There. This is what it looks like. I didn't go through with the blue, where this was going to be a double layer. It wasn't working out. This was not doing it, guys. So I might just turn that into I don't know, see if I can make a bracelet out of it or something. Maybe even an anklet. How about that? But anyway, this is how the necklace turned out. And this does not go all the way around the circumference of the neck. Just want to let you know. And it goes on this way. This is what the bracelets look like. So that's what it is, guys. And I'm going to turn around the back so you can see what the necklace looks like from the back. I don't know how it looks. But I don't know if it looks, as you see, it doesn't cover the whole back of the neck. But I like how it looks in the front. So it's nice. I like it. And if you are interested in this piece, you can buy this on the Zoom pop-up jewelry party that will be held November the 30th, which is on a Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Yeah, there we go. And again, the bracelets. So if you guys like the content that I put out in my video today, which was a jewelry tutorial, let me know in the comments below. Give me a like for a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel and you haven't done it yet. Also tap the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know, which the next video will be another jewelry tutorial. And as I said before, all of this jewelry that I'll be making forward on will be for November the 30th, which will be on a Monday, for a Zoom pop-up jewelry party. So I hope I see you guys there. And if you would like to be included on that, and you're not on my list of contacts, just email me, or you can reach out to me on my other platforms that are listed in the description below. And just contact me, and I will put you in so that you will be able to be connected to the Zoom app once the pop-up jewelry party starts. And I guess, guys, I will see you on the next video. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, tap that notification bell, comment below if you like what I've done today, and share, because sharing is caring. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Side note, guys, I just wanted to tell you the part that I could not get to look right with that necklace. Well, I made an anklet out of it. So, yeah. So this will be all a part of the package. You get an anklet, 3 bracelets, and a choker necklace.